In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your age on your Google account. So if Google is asking you to confirm your age or saying your account is restricted, then this is exactly what you need to do. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your Google account, and once you're logged in, just click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then click on Manage your Google account. Now, once you're on the Google account page, you want to click on Personal Info, and then just scroll down until you see Birthday. Now, if your birthday is incorrect, you can just click on it and edit it, and then save the changes. Now, in some cases, if your account is underage or already restricted, Google will ask you to verify your age instead. So when you see that prompt, you just click on Verify, and here Google will give you two options. One is to upload a valid government-issued ID, and the other option is to use a credit or debit card to confirm that you're over the age limit. And that's it. Once the verification is complete, your age will be confirmed and the restrictions will be removed. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.